Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Green, and one last topic in Unit 2 that dealing with uh, three-dimensional shapes. We're not going to be dealing with spheres, we're going to be dealing with symmetry. Okay, symmetry. What does that mean? Well, that means that's where we were folding the objects in two-dimensional space and making them fold on top of each other. But three-dimensional symmetry means something slightly different. We're going to be using a plane as something that we're going to be going across. So if I've got a point that's sitting right here, okay, and that's 3 units on the y direction and 3 units on the negative x direction back here, and I wanted to reflect it across the y or xz plane, it's going to go right back here in that direction. Now, I know that seemed a little bit weird, but here's the rule. Whatever plane you're reflecting across, reflecting across, you have to change the value of the other, change value of other coordinate. So, if I'm reflecting across the xz plane, I change the y value. That's exactly all you have to do. It really is that easy. So if I'm going to reflect across the xy plane, I want you to notice x and y are here. What's not here? Z. Z's the one that got changed. If I'm reflecting across the xz plane, x and z are there. What's not there? Y. Y is the one that gets changed. If I'm reflecting across the yz plane, y and z are there. What's not there? X. X is the one that gets changed. How are they getting changed? They're simply being made the opposite sign. So if they're negative, they get made positive. If they're positive, they get made negative. That's how you do a reflection in three-dimensional space. It's really simple. So if we're taking this pyramid that's sitting right here and we're going to reflect it across the xy axis, what's not there? Z is not there. That means every one of these becomes 1, 0, negative 3. Or 3, 0, negative 3. 1, 4, negative 3. 3, 4, negative 3. 2, 2, negative 6. That's how easy it is to change those values, okay, and do that type of a reflection. So where would these values be located? Okay, well, let's do a little bit of location on them. So we're going to go 1, 0, negative 3 is going to be down here. Like that. Okay, B is located at 3, 0, negative 3. That'd be down here. D would be located, I'm sorry, C would be located at 1, 4. That'd be out here 4. Negative 3. That'd be down here. D would be located at 3, 4, negative 3. You see how the base got located here? Okay? And the other one would be located at 2, 2, negative 6. And there would be our pyramid. Upside down, pointing the opposite direction. Okay? So, if we're translating it, see how we got this rule? X plus 3, y plus 7, z minus 5. I'm going to take the xy values. 1 plus 3, that gives me a 4. Negative 2 plus 7, that gives me a 5. -5 plus 3, or 3 plus minus the -5, minus 2. So where's my new point A going to be? Well, where's my point A to begin with? My point A is at 1, -2, 3. That'd be up here, 3. That's where A is located. My A prime that I just moved is now at 4, 5, -2, somewhere in there. That's the way you locate these, okay? So let's see here. 4, I came across this way to there. 5, I came across this way. 2 down. Okay? To find A, initially I went over 1 to -2 and then up 5. Okay? So let's look at this pyramid. If we wanted to translate this pyramid 4 units to the right, 3 units in the y direction, and 5 units down, I would simply add those values onto the x, y, and z. So it's going to be a 5, 3, -2. 7, 3, -2. 5, 7, -2. 7, 7, 8, 7, -2. And point E would be located at 6, 5, 1. That's how you would translate that object. And where will it be located? Well, it's just basically going to come down 2 units. Z is down this direction. Here's my -2, right? And it's going to be moving to the x direction 4 units, so it would move out this way 4 units. And it's going to move Z in the 3 direction this unit. So my square is going to be somewhere out like this. And it's going to point up. Like that. You just got moved out, over, and up. Okay? So I still appreciate the fact that you guys are sending me that you're in geometry and that what section you're in. It really does help me answer questions quickly. I am available in tutoring Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Looking forward to seeing you next time I see you.